Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to attach an email to another email in Microsoft Outlook. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, if you want to attach an email to another email so you can forward it to someone in Microsoft Outlook, the first thing that you can do is find the email that you want to attach to a new email. As an example, I'm just going to use this email from DeviantArt. Now, just make sure that Microsoft Outlook isn't maximized all the way, and then you can click and drag on this email and drag it anywhere on your computer. So you can save that email anywhere on your computer. Now next, you can just create a new email in Microsoft Outlook. And I'm just going to choose one of my other addresses and just call this test attachment. And from here, you can click on insert and you can click on attach file. And then click on browse this PC. Then you can go to where you saved that email. For me, it was on the desktop and it was this email. So I'll select that and then click on insert. And there I have this email attached in this email. And if I send it to this address, they'll have access to this email. Now, another way you can do this is you can just click on Outlook item. And then you can also browse for the email inside of your inbox or whichever folder it's saved in. So again, if I go ahead and click on this DeviantArt message and I click on OK, it'll also be attached to this email. So those are the two ways that you can use to attach an email to another email inside of Microsoft Outlook. I hope this guide's been useful. Please like the video and I'll see you in the next one.